those looking to tackle residential or light commercial wastewater and clog-prone challenges, the 16G Series 1 horsepower grinder pump is your answer. But really, what is this product? I'm Jeremiah Brody, and today I'll unpack the components of the 16G Series. A cast iron pump cover, housing, volute, and impeller, 440 stainless steel cutter blades, and a silicon carbide mechanical seal. All these components contribute to the overall grinding results of the 16G Series 1 horsepower grinder. Today we will discuss the components and accessories applicable to installation, operation, and maintenance practices with the goal of enabling you to perform quicker procedures. Here are the components you need to know to install your pump. This pump weighs 78 pounds. To assist with lifting, the pump has a lifting ring. The 16G Series has non-skid adjustable legs for stability and vibration dampening. Prior to operation, install the provided leg accessory kit. If you purchase this product with a vertical switch, install it prior to operation. This pump will be installed in a suitable gas-tight basin. Install discharge piping here. Do not use piping smaller than the pump discharge. For power, reference the voltage requirements on the pump label. The 16G Series is available in both automatic and manual pump models. Here are the components you need to know related to pump operation. Automatic pump models with a float switch include 2 power cords with a piggyback plug and a switch cord. For automatic operation, plug the pump cord into the switch cord. Plug the switch cord, with the pump cord attached, into an outlet. Manual pumps are plugged into a dedicated receptacle and controlled by either switching the power or unplugging the cord. Here are the pump components you need to know to perform periodic service on your pump system. Check for damage or corrosion on the power cords and electrical outlets. Also check for buildup on the pump system's components, including the basin, pump, and switches. Let's review. Today we talked about installation components, including the non-skid adjustable legs, basin, discharge piping, and voltage requirements. We also talked about operation components, including the automatic and manual pump models. Last, we reviewed maintenance components, looking at the power cords and pump system components to check for buildup. To learn more, visit Franklin Tech Online and leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Your feedback will help us continue bringing great content. Thanks for watching.